Greetings everyone. So my question is, what do you mean by merits of a case? What do you mean by merits? I am sure that in your law school journey you must have heard the word that yes, this case has been decided on merits. Now what do we mean by merits? Okay, as we know कि हर एक केस में जो है दो पार्टीज तो इन्वॉल्व होती है एंड वन पार्टी इज कंटेनिंग समथिंग एंड द अदर पार्टी इज कंटेनिंग द ऑपोजिट ऑफ इट. ऑपोजिट ही बोलेंगे ना. अगर पार्टीज के बीच में अगर पार्टी सेम चीज पर अग्री कर रही है, अगर पार्टीज के बीच में इतनी ही म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग है तो वो कोर्ट क्यों आती? वो कोर्ट आई ही इसलिए है बिकॉज वो एक जो पॉइंट ऑफ इश्यू है उसके ऊपर जो है एक पार्टी कुछ बोल रही है और जो दूसरी पार्टी है वो डिसअग्री कर रही है. Now, when both the parties are contending the opposite of something, then they have to prove their contention on the basis of evidences. So, when the parties are proving their point on the basis of evidences and the court is hearing that matter. So, basically the merits of the case mean when the evidences have been heard and after hearing all the evidences by both the parties, the court has applied its judicial mind. So, when applying its judicial mind and hearing all the evidences, when the judgment has been passed, this is called that the case has been decided on merits. I hope this is clear. Thank you so much.